10 degrees.
Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Shelly, tell me your experience.
It's so fun.
Aboard the Natty Boy.
To the main sheet that's behind Dad. And then Shelly, if we turn and go the other direction, you gotta slack this one off.
I've come a long way, baby. Did you see the great sunset?